Alright, so we got reconnected. Ron, you were saying?
Oh, yeah man. I am Ron Mowatt, the president of the Duckenfield Youth Club. Alright, our GSAT quiz was designed to boost our GSAT children into their GSAT exams. Hold on, man. You live?
Yes,
no, man, I'm shy if you go on live. Hold on.
Alright, Kevin is right here. Kevin, tell me the different schools that participate in the GSAT quiz.
Yeah, Duckenfield, Bowling Grove, Amitial, and Dalby Primary.
Alright, come now, Romario. Romario, come on. Tell me now, how the GSAT quiz is set up. How is set up? How does it run?
Oh well, we prepare overnight and ensure that each and everyone attend at the venue and get the background sorted out and the refreshment and everything.
So it's held every week?
Yeah, every week, every Wednesday. Yeah, and
yeah.
At different school because we're trying to sustain the fear that sometimes they can't find to turn out at it, so we actually reach out to the school then.
Yes. So we have Dehana from Canada says, send me some of your warm snow and cold here. Yeah man, I saw it go man, Dehana. Alright, so I see Michaela in the background. Michaela now, tell me, how does it help the students? Like, how the GSAT quiz help the students?
In some of the subject areas, it helps them to pick up from what they leave off.
Yeah.
Like in the maths, it helps them, if you are slow, tell them to pick up and to understand what they are doing so they get prepared for their GSAT.
Yeah. Alright, Ron, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
So in terms of the competition, you're preparing them for GSAT, right?
Right, yeah.
How you know that they're actually prepared for GSAT?
How I know they are actually prepared.
Yeah.
The kids themselves, the teacher currently doing some very wonderful work with them, and that shows during the matches.
Yeah.
So yes, we know that them already preparing for GSAT, but we have to give them that boost.
Yes.
That's the reason why we designed this GSAT quiz, to just give them that boost. Because you know, Jamaica is a competitive country, you know. So we love to compete, and during this competition, they will compete and study more harder.
Yes.
Which they're actually studying for the GSAT, and they don't even know.
Big up yourself, Paul Watson. Yes, we're right here in St. Thomas, the best parish, right guys? Yes! Alright, so I understand for the GSAT quiz, you guys need sponsorship, right?
Yes.
What type of sponsorship you need?
Alright, sponsorship for the main prize, refreshments, transportation to bring club members to and from matches, also the students and teachers, and stationaries.
Yes.
Those are just some of the sponsorship that we need.
So who can they contact if they're interested in sponsoring the Duckenfield Youth Club quiz?
You can contact the president, Ron Mowatt.
What the number?
The number is 446.
Alright, you have to get them because these people are from Canada. We have people here from where? We have people from London watching, people from Georgia, so you have to say 1876 first. Okay. So go ahead.
Okay, so the number is 1876 446 0452.
Alright.
That's Ron Mowatt, the president, and the secretary, Odave Williams, 296 4330.
Yes.
So you can contact either of us, and you can
support this initiative. So many students prepare for GSAT. GSAT is in March, right? GSAT is in March, and this exam is done for them to matriculate to a high school of their choice.
Right.
So to prepare for this nerve-wracking experience, the Duckenfield Youth Club has a quiz competition every week so that they can help them with preparation. So they're not only competing against each other, they're also studying and preparing for the major exam. What is the success rate like? More somebody else to talk. Pauline, where's Pauline? So one thing with St. Thomas people, she's nursing a baby right now.
Yeah.
All right.
Kimon.
Success rate. I want to talk about the success rate. So we have Niagara Falls here, people from London, people from Australia. Hi, Australia. All right, come now. What is the success rate like in terms of the children? How well do they do in GSAT when they actually sit the exam?
You have a 90% pass.
90% pass.
10%, not really that. The 10% don't pass, but they don't have a standard.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice, nice. And remind me of the schools that actually participate.
Duckenfield Primary, Davie Primary, Golden Grove Primary, and Meteor Primary School.
Nice, nice, nice. And what part do you play in the GSAT?
I'm the quiz master.
She's the quiz master. All right, so if you want to get in touch with the Duckenfield Youth Club, you can contact Ron Cray Marriott. Who is this?
Tariq.
Tariq. So who else wants to?
Jamaica.
Who else? Kevin? Who else wants to? Oh, Ron.
Okay, peeps, just to let you know, this quiz actually helped 40 students, GSAT students, directly.
Yes.
And also the GSAT students that come at these matches.
Let's repeat the number, please.
The number is 446-045. Sorry, I'm sorry about that. The number is 1876-446-0452.
Yes.
The president, Ron Cray Marriott.
Yeah.
And the secretary, Odave Williams' number is 296-4330.
Yes.
That's the secretary number.
And this is just one of many initiatives by the Duckenfield Youth Club. I love them. I come here every other month because I really, really appreciate the work that they're doing in the community. And they want you to support their initiatives. So, Mr. Brooks, you want to say something as well? Okay, so okay, let me repeat the number for you. So if you're interested in sponsoring the GSAT quiz, it's 1-876-446-0452, right? I'll type the number. Yes, Dehana, 1-876-446-0452. And his name is Ron Cray Marriott, right? They need sponsorship in terms of the prize. They need sponsorship in terms of every week, the refreshment. They need sponsorship for transportation to bring the young people back and forth. So and if you're a sponsor, of course there are benefits. You will be your ads or whatever business you manage, we can put it up on Live Well Jamaica. My blog, that's livewellja.com, will help to promote your initiative. Just get in touch. You can get in touch with me. I'm also on Facebook, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. All right, until next time, come Duckenfield. One last thing, one last shout out. All right, you want to see the big bad Jamaica? All right. All right. So until next time, I'm Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt signing out from Duckenfield Youth Club. Bye.